A very good morning to all my class 10th students. I am back again with a new video on the chapter agriculture. We were continuing with the different types of crops. We have done food crops. Now it is time for me to today tell you some of the important cash crops that are grown in India. Cash crops today we are going to deal with. Cash crops are the crops that are grown to get money. They are sold in the market and they get money. So farmers grow these crops. The government makes these crops available in the market because it is for the benefit of the farmers to get money, and also these cash crops are source of money and they contribute to the national income of the country. So today we are going to discuss some of the important cash crops. कैश क्रॉप जिनकी वजह से सरकार को फ़ायदा होता है, जिसको किसान बोते हैं बहुत बल्क में, और जिससे इंडस्ट्रीज़ चलती हैं, जिससे फैक्ट्रीज़ चलती हैं, जिनका रिक्वायरमेंट फैक्ट्रीज़ और इंडस्ट्रीज़ में भी होता है. तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कैश क्रॉप दैट इज़ वेरी कॉमन इज़ शुगर केन. शुगर केन इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन कैश क्रॉप जिससे हमें पैसा मिलता है. हमारे वेस्ट यूपी में यू विल से a lot of agitations of the farmers is due to the price of sugar cane and the production of sugar cane, जिसको हम गन्ना कहते हैं. शुगर केन से बेसिकली बहुत सी चीज़ें मिलती हैं. शुगर तो मिलती है, ये रिफाइनरीज में भी जाता है और बहुत यूज होता है. तो शुगर केन इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कैश क्रॉप ऑफ इंडिया. लेट्स सी द कंडीशंस रिक्वायर्ड टू ग्रो शुगर केन. व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस रिक्वायर्ड? कंडीशंस का मतलब किस तरीके की सॉइल, क्या टेम्परेचर, क्या क्या कहते हैं फैसिलिटीज़ चाहिए होती हैं अच्छे शुगर केन की खेती के लिए. शुगर केन ड्रेन फर्टाइल सॉइल, ड्रेनेज जिसमें पानी अच्छा निकले, पानी रुकना नहीं चाहिए. ड्रेनेज फर्टाइल सॉइल चाहिए शुगर केन के लिए. शुगर केन रिक्वायर्स ड्रेनेज फर्टाइल सॉइल. ओके, फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट इज ड्रेनेज फर्टाइल सॉइल. फर्टाइल मीन्स उपजाऊ, ड्रेनेज जिसमें पानी रुके नहीं, सॉइल पानी अंदर तक जाए और पास हो. हैवी डोजेज ऑफ मैन्योर एंड फर्टिलाइजर. इट रिक्वायर्स मैन्योर एंड फर्टिलाइजर. मैन्योर एंड fertilizers are to be given to have good sugar cane. So these are two very important qualities required to have sugar cane. First is drainage fertile soil and second is manure and fertilizers. What is manure? You know, खाद is needed. अच्छी quality of manure is needed to have sugar cane. And rainfall of about what is 100 centimeter rainfall. Rainfall of 100 centimeter is needed so that sugar cane could be grown in good quality and of good quality and good quantity. अच्छी quantity में sugar cane हो. What are three requirements for sugar cane? Sugar cane requires fertile soil, manure and fertilizers, 100 centimeter of rainfall. And what are some of the bulk producing sugar cane producing states of India? UP, Maharashtra, okay, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Punjab, Bihar. These are the bulk sugarcane producing states of India. So sugarcane is a crop that requires drainage fertile soil, manure and fertilizers and rainfall. And so states are UP, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Bihar that are bulk producers of sugarcane. Next crop is next cash crop that earns and gives government a lot of money and to the farmers is tobacco. A very common Tobacco is a cash crop. You know that in the industry of sugar, industry of cigarette, in the industries of all the things that are smoking parts, tobacco is needed. So tobacco, India is the third largest tobacco producing country in the world. Third largest tobacco producing nation. India is third largest tobacco producing nation in the world, and 20 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade is the temperature needed for growing tobacco. So tobacco requires a temperature of 20 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade for good growing, for the crop to develop well, and rainfall is 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter, means requires good rainfall for tobacco to grow. So tobacco, India is the third largest producing nation. Temperature required is 20 to 40 degrees centigrade, and also 100 to 75 to 100 centimeter is required. Rainfall is required. What type of soil? Can anybody guess what type of soil is needed? The soil is sandy loam, means loam soil is required to grow tobacco. Sand, थोड़ा सा उसमें रेता भी मिला हो. Sandy loam is required to grow tobacco. Okay, sandy loam soil is required to grow tobacco. The major tobacco producing states in India are Tamil Nadu, साउथ में तमिलनाडु, वेस्ट में गुजरात. These are two major producing states. We have Karnataka also. Where tobacco is grown in good quantity, or tobacco producing states, major tobacco producing states are. So India is the third largest tobacco producing country after China and USA. China and USA के बाद third largest tobacco. Temperature of 20 to 40 degrees centigrade is needed. Rainfall of 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter, and sandy loam soil is needed for tobacco to grow. Now we are moving on to the fiber crops. One more cash crop is there, but I'll give you the notes. That is rubber. The fiber crops are cotton and jute. These are very good and they are mostly asked in CBSE exams. So I'm moving on to them. After this, the cash crops. We are now moving to fiber crops. Okay, fiber crops we are moving on to.